Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to take a photo and save it straight to Dropbox. No extra apps, no fuss, just a few simple steps. Whether you're organizing photos for work, backing up memories, or keeping your documents safe, this method will help you get it done in seconds. Let's jump right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account. When the app opens, you'll see your list of folders and files stored in the cloud. Next, look for the blue plus button, that's the big plus symbol, usually at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This button is your gateway to adding new files, scanning documents, or in this case, taking a photo directly into Dropbox. After tapping the spellwise plus button, a few options will pop up. Choose Take a Photo. This tells Dropbox that you're ready to capture a new image using your device's camera. Now, position your camera to frame exactly what you want to photograph. Take a second to adjust the lighting or angle. If needed, this is your shot. When you're happy with the setup, tap the shutter button and take the photo. Once you've taken it, you'll see a preview appear on your screen. If it looks good, tap OK. Dropbox will automatically upload your photo and save it in your chosen folder. You can rename it, move it, or share it just like any other file in your account. And that's all it takes. In just a few taps, you've snapped a picture and stored it securely in Dropbox, ready to access from your phone, tablet, or computer anytime you need it. Simple, fast, and organized. You've just learned how to take a photo and save it directly on Dropbox, updated and ready for 2026.